So, good morning, everyone. Today we will start the quick revision of chapter 6, that is triangles. ठीक है तो for triangles we have learned about the congruency criteria, है ना. There are 5 congruency criterions by which we prove the two given triangles are congruent to each other. ठीक है. So the main important between this chapter and the triangles chapter you have learnt in your previous classes that about the congruency and similarity. So what does the term congruency mean? It means that the two triangles are congruent if they have same shape and also same size, है ना. Suppose if this is one figure, this is the congruency representation sign to this triangle, है ना. They both have same shape and same size, but for similarity it is not so. They must have the same shape, but size doesn't matter here. ठीक है. If this is an equilateral triangle, it will be similar. This is the similarity sign. It will be similar to all the triangles, all the equilateral triangles. Okay. So in similarity, the size doesn't matter. ठीक है. Now coming forward. So one question comes in mind that whether the only triangles are similar to each other or not. है ना. So no, all two means we can use a definition that the two polygons of same. No, look, now this is a polygon. It means that it have some sides, है ना. Maybe it will be 3 sides of triangles, 4 sides for square, 5 sides for pentagon, 6 sides for hexagon, and so on. ठीक है. So we can say that two polygons of same number of sides, है ना, same number of sides are similar. ओके. कब होंगे? कंडीशन क्या होगी इसमें? फर्स्ट कि ऑल एंगल्स मस्ट बी इक्वल, or we can say that ki their sides must be in proportion. Their sides or corresponding sides is the correct word. Corresponding sides must be in proportion. Okay. So beta, these two points are also the conditions to prove similarity, है ना. So we can say that the triangles are similar if they have, first is what, their corresponding angles are equal. Their corresponding angles are equal, or second thing what we can have means their corresponding sides must be in proportion. Their corresponding sides must be in proportion, means same proportion. Okay. So by these two conditions we can prove that the given two triangles are similar, है ना. Means equilateral triangle of 2 centimeter, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, है ना, and an equilateral triangle of side 4, 4, 4. Both of these triangles are similar to each other. Why? Because their sides are in same proportion. Look at this side. This is P, Q, R. This is A, B, and C. So PQ upon AB is what? 2 by 4 is equals to 1 by 2, है ना. So that QR upon BC and also PR upon AC. all these sides are in ratio 1 by 2, so these two triangles are similar to each other. Okay, so we have some criterias also, like congruency. We have 5 criteria to prove the congruency. Here also, in this similarity, we will use some of the criteria, so let's discuss that. So before that, we have a theorem which says that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle, means if this is a triangle, this is your theorem 6.1. So I'm not going to write the statement here. So this is a triangle ABC. It says that, the theorem says that if a line parallel to any side of a triangle, किसी भी side के parallel हम line draw करें, suppose we are drawing a line parallel to BC, है ना, so that these two lines are parallel to each other, है ना. Look at this line, it is intersecting the triangle at two distinct points, है ना, it is intersecting the triangle in two distinct points. So we can say that the other two sides are divided in the same ratio, means this side AB and AC, they are divided in the same ratio, means if A2, suppose this point is D, this point is E, so it says that ki AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. Okay, means it is dividing both the other lines in the same ratio. Okay, this is our theorem number 6.1. So we can apply its converse too, है ना. Converse कैसे होगा देखो, suppose we have a triangle, ये conclusion है, ठीक है, this is conclusion. Now if ABC is a triangle and we have two points D and E, so given is what, given होगा यहाँ पर कि AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. Okay, so from here we got the conclusion that DE line is parallel to BC. Okay, this is the converse. If a line is parallel, then it is dividing both the two sides in same proportion, or we can say that if the sides are in proportion, है ना, we can say that the given the line to the given side of a angle of a triangle is parallel. ठीक है, so D is parallel to BC. Now we move to similarity criteria. So before that, look at the two conditions to prove the similarity. That is what, the triangle are similar to each other when their corresponding angles are equal, है ना. And when corresponding angles are equal, this is known as angle similarity. ठीक है, this is the first criterion. Now second is what, this is the corresponding sides must be in same proportion. Corresponding sides का मतलब क्या है देखो, suppose we have two triangles, this is ABC and this is what, PQR. So when they are similar to each other, it means that the second criteria is for side similarity. And it says that side doesn't means that AB and AC, है ना, their proportion must be the same, means AB, this is the AB side, so this side we will take PQ is equals to BC upon QR is equals to AC upon PR, है ना. If they both are in same proportion, then we can say that by side similarity, these two triangles are similar to each other. ठीक है, so this is our second criteria. So now the third and the important criteria is side angle side similarity criteria, है ना, which says that if we have two triangles, suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, and so PQR, P, Q and R. ठीक है. सपोज दिस एंगल इज ऑफ 30 डिग्री, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो 30 डिग्री, है ना. एंड वॉट इज गिवन, गिवन दैट कि एंगल बी ए सी is equals to angle QPR is equals to 30 degree, है ना. Also it is given that AC upon PR is equals to AB upon PQ, है ना. Means the adjacent side to the angles. Look, this is an angle. It have two adjacent sides AC and AB. So if here also in this triangle, this is the angle PR and PQ are the adjacent sides. So if they are in same proportion, we can say that this is side, this is angle, this is side, है ना. This is side, this is angle, this is side. So by SAS similarity criterion, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay. So we have discussed about angle similarity if all the angles are equal, है ना. Side similarity means if all the sides are in same proportion. What is SAS? If the two if a angle of both the triangle is equal and their corresponding sides are in proportion, है ना. corresponding का मतलब ही यही होता है कि जिससे ये जुड़ा हुआ है. Okay. So we have discussed about the similarity criterions. Here is one of the question, one of the important question. It says that a girl of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamp post. Suppose this is a lamp post. Okay, here it is a lamp. So the girl is walking away from the lamp post, means away from this, है ना, in this direction at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. ठीक है. If the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground, means this is the point on the ground, so the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground. Okay, so this is the lamp at the height of 3.6 meter. Now we have to find the length of her shadow, means the girl's shadow after 4 seconds. So suppose in 4 seconds she has covering this much of distance, है ना. अब देखो she is 90 meter above, है ना. she is 90 centimeter tall, तो this will be 90 centimeter, है ना. अब उसकी शेडो देखो बेटा, यहाँ से लाइट विल फॉल ऑन हर हेड एंड द शेडो विल फॉर्म ऑन द ग्राउंड इन दिस शेप, है ना. ये जो होगी डिस्टेंस, ये होगी शेडो. शेडो तो ग्राउंड पे ही बनती है. ठीक है. सो वी विल नेम दीज पॉइंट्स दैट द लैम्प इज पॉइंट ए, द ग्राउंड बेस ऑफ द ग्राउंड इज बी, देन वी हैव द हाइट ऑफ द गर्ल एज CD एंड दिस पॉइंट इज E. Okay, so we can draw it another way. We can draw this figure like this. We have two triangles here, है ना. We have two triangles. One is what? A, B and E. Second is what? C, D and E. This is C, this is D, this is E, है ना. First of all, look at the question. It says that the girl is moving with a speed of 1.2 meter per second, है ना. Means in 1 second she is covering 1.2 meter of distance. Means we can say that after 4 seconds she will cover 4.8 meter of distance, है ना. Means from this point B to D is what? 4.8. We have to find the distance of her shadow. It means that DE is what? X. Okay, so the distance covered by the girl in 4 seconds is from B to D, और ये कितना होगा? 4.8. This is meter. ठीक है. यूनिट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि इसकी हाइट 90 सेंटीमीटर है. ओके, एंड दीज आर गिवन इन मीटर. सो लेटर ऑन वी विल कन्वर्ट द मीटर इनटू सेंटीमीटर बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग 200. ठीक है, ये याद रखना. नाउ वी हैव दीज टू सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स. सिमिलर कैसे होंगे? देखो, बोथ these, the lamp and the girl are standing vertical on the ground. They are standing vertical on the ground, which implies that angle ABE is equals to angle CDE is equals to 90 degree, है ना. Another thing what we can have, look, this E and this E angle, है ना. So angle E is equals to angle E. This is the common angle. ये दोनों triangle में same है, ठीक है, अब जब दो ट्राइंगल्स इक्वल होंगे, थर्ड इज ऑटोमेटिकली गोइंग टू बी इक्वल्स टू ईच अदर, इसीलिए मैंने ये क्वेश्चन भी लिया है. So here we can only apply angle similarity. Okay, so by angle similarity we can say that the triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE. ठीक है, अब करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स कैसे होगी बेटा, ये देखो AB और CD है ना, तो हम ये बोलेंगे कि AB अपॉन CD, देन B टू E, तो यहाँ D टू E, BE upon DE is equals to AE upon CE. ठीक है, now look at the question. What we have to find? We have to find the DE distance, है ना. So in this, where is D? DE is this part. ठीक है, AB and CD we have. So we will take only this much of ratio, that AB upon CD is equals to BE upon DE. So look at the figure. We have AB is equals to 3.6 meter. CD is what? This is CD. This is 90 centimeter, or we can convert 90 centimeter into meter divided by 100. We have 0.9 meter. ठीक है, तो CD is 0.9 meter, means this is 3.6, this is 0.9 is equals to BE. Look at BE. Where is BE? This is BE. So this is 4.8 and this is x, D to E. So we have 4.8 plus x plus x. So and DE is x, है ना. So by simplification we got the value that 3.6x, or we can simply cut this. Look, point and point will cancel each other, दोनों एक ही डिजिट के बाद है ना. 9 4 36. So 4x is equals to 4.8 plus x, है ना. This is plus x, so it will transfer to this side. We have 3x is equals to 4.8 and x is equals to 1.6 meter, है ना. So this will be the shadow of the girl. ठीक है, this is the example number 7 of your NCERT. So means in this way we have to apply the similarity criterions, है ना. Look what we have done. First we have to draw the figure, है ना. We have to observe that there are two triangles and whether they both are similar or not, है ना. After that we got the ratio. This is by basis proportionality theorem, which is very 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 important regarding to your board examination from this chapter. ठीक है, the whether it can be asked directly to prove the basis proportionality theorem, है ना. नहीं पूछेगा डायरेक्ट, देन इट विल श्योरली गिव वन क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन द BPT, दैट इज बेसिस प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम. ठीक है, सो आफ्टर दैट वी हैव अ टॉपिक एरियाज ऑफ सिमिलर ट्राइंगल. एरियाज ऑफ सिमिलर ट्राइंगल, बट दिस पोर्शन इज डिलीटेड, है ना. ये पोर्शन डिलीट हो गया है. फिर भी एक ये बस लिख लो कि इफ देयर आर टू ट्राइंगल्स एंड दे आर सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स, है ना. सो वी कैन से दैट एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR इज नथिंग बट, लुक दिस इज ABC, दिस इज PQR, तो AB अपॉन PQ का होल स्क्वायर, है ना. किसी भी एक साइड के प्रोपोर्शन का स्क्वायर होता है उनका एरिया. ऐसा नहीं है कि AB और PQ भी हो. BC अपॉन QR कैन ऑल्सो बी देयर, और AC और PR, एनी वन ऑफ द साइड विल बी इन प्रोपोर्शन. ठीक है, सो आफ्टर दैट वी हैव अ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम which states that the hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square, है ना. and this you have to keep in your mind. A Pythagoras theorem can only be applied with right angle triangles only, right angled triangle only, है ना. because hypotenuse is what? the side opposite to the 90-degree angle. means if this is a triangle and this angle is of 90 degree, the side opposite to this 90-degree angle, this is hypotenuse, है ना. this is base, and this is perpendicular. Okay, and its converse has been deleted from your syllabus, so you don't have to learn that, or means you have to solve the question based on that converse, so it is being deleted. So here is the question based on this Pythagoras theorem, that an aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north. So these are the four directions that we have, है ना? These are the four directions: north, south, this is west, and this is east, है ना? ये. So it says that suppose this is an airport. So aeroplane flies, one due to north and another due to west. ठीक है, एक नॉर्थ साइड जा रही है, एक वेस्ट साइड जा रही है. जो नॉर्थ वाली है एरोप्लेन, इट इज फ्लाइंग एट अ स्पीड ऑफ 1000 किलोमीटर पर आवर, है ना? मीन्स इन 1 आवर it is covering the distance of 1000 kilometer, and we have to check whether, means how far apart they will be after 1.5 hour. So in 1.5 hour, the first aeroplane which is flying due to north, we can say that it covers the distance of 1500 kilometer. मतलब वो यहाँ तक पहुँची, तो the distance from the airport to the flight is what? 1500 kilometer, है ना? Now due west, this is flying at a speed of 1200 kilometer in 1 hour. तो 1.5 आवर में या 1/2 आवर में, 1.5 घंटे में ये कितना जाएगी? देखो 1200 and 600, तो 1800 किलोमीटर. So means suppose this is the point of 1800 kilometer. So look, north and west side makes an angle of 90 degree with their intersection, or this is the minimum distance, है ना? Suppose after 1.5 hour the flight is at this point. This point we can name as P. This is the center O and this is the Q. So in triangle POQ, we have angle POQ, means the center angle 90 degree. So here we can apply the Pythagoras theorem, which state that the hypotenuse square, which is PQ square, is what? Perpendicular square, that is OP square plus base square, OQ square. ठीक है? So PQ is what? This we have to find. OP is what? 1500 whole square plus this is what? 1800 whole square. Now 15, 2 to 5, or here we have 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4, plus 18 18s are 3 to 4 or 0 0 0 0, है ना? अब हम क्या करेंगे? We will take up the root, and from both these we can take 10,000 as common, है ना? यहाँ से भी 4 zeros कॉमन लिए, यहाँ से भी. So here we have 2 to 5 plus 3 to 4, है ना? And from here look, this is the root 10,000, 5 4 9, 2 to 4 and 3 to 5, 549, है ना? एंड दिस इज नॉट द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, है ना? किसी का भी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर 549 नहीं होता है. देयरफॉर दिस 10,000 कैन कम आउट एज 100 रूट 549 किलोमीटर is the shortest distance between both the flights after 1/2 hour, because in 1/2 hour the first flight covered the distance of 1500 and the second flight covers the distance of 1800 kilometer, है ना? So in this way you have to implement all the formulas, whether it is of Pythagoras theorem या और भी rules हमने पढ़े हैं, है ना? So this is the quick revision of our chapter triangles, and you have to practice more and more, because this is the important chapter.